Today we're making ULLA-inspired ambient samples. Here's what we need: a short guitar chord loop, additional guitar melody, a synth layer with the same chords as the guitar loop, and an acapella. Let's export the loops and stretch them. Now it's time for the good old spectral gate treatment. Let's cut them up and rearrange them. Remember that it's important to leave some space. Silence is as important as sound here. Time for the acapella. Stretch it out and pick the most non-musical parts. The most important part is the hypnotic loopiness and the pull and release tension. What makes ULLA's music so good is that you can listen to the same loop all day and it never gets boring. Now add some field recordings. Now add a tape machine simulation and we're good to go. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.